Flyte gives you real-time visibility into your connected systems, all in one place. Instead of digging through data, Dashboards lets you see what matters most at a glance. In Flyte, you can make different types of dashboards, such as signal strength, Wi-Fi clients, and remote controller access. Creating a dashboard in Flyte is simple. Start by adding a new dashboard and giving it a name. Then choose the data you want to track, like connectivity status, device health, or performance trends. Arrange your dashboard to match how you work. Highlight critical systems and organize your data your way. With real-time monitoring and centralized visibility, you can quickly spot issues and stay ahead of problems. That's how easy it is to build dashboards in Flyte and stay in control of your systems.